Let's do the unit testing using NUnit Framework. Before you do that, you need to add an extension to NUnit Framework, which is available from this link, NUnit Test Adapter. You need to download and install it, and then you will be able to test using Visual Studio. Okay. Now we need to add a reference to entity framework. So I'm going to add a new get package here. So entity framework I will look for, and I will install it. Also we need to copy the connection string because that is very important to test our restaurant service. So that we need to add it to app.config. So I will add it here. Now what I've done is I've already connected created the unit test class restaurant service test. I'm using NUnit Framework. So in the initial setup, what I'm doing is I'm hosting the app host and also a service. You know the automapper.config which I registered using global.asax. Now here we don't have that, so I'm registering it here. Also I'm registering my repository. So I think we are ready to build our solution. So if we build our solution, okay, could not find. So let's rebuild. Should be search criteria. So okay, so now we have built our service. We can test one of it. We already written some unit tests, so let's go through this. See, in NUnit we basically annotate the class with text fixture attribute. Then in the constructor I am basically initializing the host, service stack host, and also automapper configuration which I initialize in global.asax. I have to initialize it here, and also for our dependency injection for our repository I am just specifying the instance of restaurant repository for iRestaurant repository. So once we do that, we are ready for our unit test. So I'm disposing it the app host once we finish the test. So this is the test for specific order. So I'm basically passing order ID 1 and state is pending. So I should get this order and know that this order has 2 items, so it should be successful. Okay, so let's test for specific order. Just test it. So if it passes, I will come to know. So it passes. Similarly, if you want to get some menus here, I should get some valid list of starters. So I'm just checking for null. Yeah. So this is just to demonstrate you can write your unit test based on your application. So let's add some new items like onion uttapam. Let's keep it price again. It's a starter. Let's say onion uttapam. So if we add that menu, we can test for it. So you might have noticed how easy to write the unit test for our service. So we have tested it both using REST client and also done some unit testing. So now that we have implemented our backend web service, in the next video I will be covering the client side implementation using Xamarin. Thank you.